My name's Naomi Green and I'm a co-founder of Tiger Tribe. At Tiger Tribe, through all our products, we really want to spark imagination. We want kids to learn to think creatively. So imagination is a very strong part of product design. Designing the Kinder Kit was a challenging experience because we knew we wanted something that could be carried by the kid, carried by the parent, and we also wanted it to be more than a bag. We wanted it to be something you could play in and around. So trying to create a bag that was versatile but also had play value was a big challenge. Felt Stories Garden is a really fun set where you can create little stories about gardens, flowers and vegetables and bugs. They're one of the first things that kids explore in the world around them. So we thought it was very relatable, and that's why we chose to design a garden in our Felt Stories. What I love about the job I have is that we have an opportunity to get kids off screens and engaging with old-fashioned play patterns and developing their imagination, and that's a real privilege.